stop! Are you still paying $20 plus for those viral peel-off lip liners? I found a way to get the exact same look for literally $0. And the best part? It's 100% natural. All you need is fresh beetroot juice for that pigment, some aloe vera gel for the consistency, and a tiny bit of cornstarch to make it peel-able. No weird chemicals, no lip irritation, just pure, natural ingredients. Apply a clean line around your lip border. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until it's fully dry. Now for the most satisfying part. Watch this. It leaves the perfect natural tint that stays on all day. And there you have it. A professional-looking lip stain for free. If you love natural skincare hacks, hit that subscribe button for more $0 beauty secrets. Let me know in the comments. Would you try this? See you in the next one.